poles, not 4 poles. You use 3 poles.
Then this is the list of material using electrode tester level, red, yellow, and green. And then this is the ladle for 3-volt system. And then it's pipe. And then measurement tape. So why we need to test the leak system? We need to test the leak system because of safety of people, reduce minimize the risk of electric shock, and then protection of equipment in our house, and then reliable electrical system operation, and compliance with legal and safety standard. If we're not doing this testing, there will be a penalty, and then early detection of potential issues.
Are you sure penalty? Why did you put that statement? Okay, very good.
Because if we're not doing this early system testing, this is the electrical position. So from actually we need to like 10 meter from HE to P 10 meter, and then P to C 10 meter. Then this is the parallel.
E to C.
P
E to C, 10 meter,
E
right?
to
E to C.
E to P is 10 meter. No.
E to C. C is the long distance.
Oh.
Remember, right? I told all of you, don't ever get close to that point because that is the current injector, current point. So basically from E, that is your original point. So it should be from E to
E to C is
Yes.
10 meter. So E to P is 20 meter.
that you will do a variation, you change the
Change the distance. So this is a parallel. So we change the E to 0.1 and then 0.2 later. Proceed to the procedure. So this procedure is the this figure shows the method for measuring earth resistance. So EX is for electrode, earth electrode under the test. SY is a potential electrode measuring the voltage drop in the ground, and HX is a current electrode injecting current into the ground. This figure shows measurement at different distance R1 to R9 from 10% to 90% of the distance. This is some picture from the lab session. So this is our result for single edit. From the result you can see when the distance increase, so the measure resistance also increase.
Mukri, pastikan add additional question tadi in the slide. Yeah.
Next is the graph for single edit. Graph measure resistance versus the distance. So this is multiple edit. We use parallel in the editing system to improve grounding, to improve ground efficiency and safety. So by the connecting multiple edit in parallel, so the total resistance decrease because of the current has multiple paths to flow. So this ensure the better current dissipation, reduce voltage difference in the system. So this is the graph for multiple edit. Discussion single edit. The result show clear increase in resistance as the distance from the editing point increase. So this increased trend is expected and aligned with the principle of soil resistivity. As the distance from the electrode increase, the resistance also increase. Then the consistency, for consistency, the resistance increase at almost uniform rate of approximately 3 ohm per meter.
This indicates that the soil properties are relatively uniform in the test area. So low resistance value, the measured resistance values are relatively low, all below 200 ohm, which demonstrate that the earthing system is functioning properly for the tested condition. And for multiple earthing, variation in resistance, the resistance at point 2 is much lower than point 1. This indicates that point 2 likely has better grounding conditions such as higher soil conductivity, better electrode contact or lower soil resistivity. Improved performance, the significantly lower resistance value at point 2 suggests that a properly designed and positioned
When you say likely has better grounding condition,
Like,
why do you claim having 2 points likely has better grounding conditions? Why?
because from the
No,
result,
I want to hear from you.
from the result,
Why?
from
Do you know what does it mean? Likely.
likely.
better.
It's still vague. It's not fact. Actually, you have the fact. When you do a measurement, basically that is a fact. So you cannot, simply feel like fear. You are not confident. This is not good. Okay, you should confident because that is a fact. You already play with fact. So you must mention clearly. It can reduce. It's clearly reduce. Change the word. You must confident. Show your confident. Likely is like you feel. No, you're not confident. Maybe. No, don't use maybe.
Oh, maybe.
Don't ever use maybe. Maybe is like you not confident. Something that you are cannot confident. Okay.
For multiple earthing, point 1 resistance 62.9 ohm. While this value is acceptable in some cases, it is higher than optimal for vertical electrical system where lower resistance is essential. And for point 2 resistance, 33.5 ohm. This value is highly effective and demonstrates that proper earthing can achieve safe and efficient fault current dissipation. And then system efficiency, the combination of these 2 points likely lowers the
Again likely. Don't use likely. I already advise. Don't use likely. Clearly.
lowers
Yes.
the overall resistance of the earthing system, ensuring better safety and reliability.
Because why? Because you support your statement.
Yeah.
Better safety. You see?
And lastly, for factor influencing the result, soil.
Okay, sorry. We have to make a short. Now, please add another important. Remember, we have discussed. During the lab session last week, right? We have method so called. Now, you please clearly state this is a concept of multiple grounding concept. We also have concept so called GEM. So please add that in your discussion.
Okay.
Now, conclusion. Oh, you want to add? Yeah, please.
Check one.
Okay, what we can conclude from this whole lab session, okay, we can see the relationship between the resistance and distance. Okay, the measured resistance increases as the distance from the earth electron increases, showing that resistance is influenced by proximity to the earthing system. Then, what is the effect of parallel earthing system? We can see that multiple earthing system in parallel significantly reduce the overall resistance compared to a single earthing system. Okay, lower resistance in parallel system improve the efficiency and safety of the earthing network. Okay, we can conclude that parallel is the best for earthing system compared to single earthing system. That's all from us. Thank you.
No. Can you activate your
Activate.
Okay. No, I mean your schematic.
Oh.
Schematic. Look at this one. Can you show me clearly how this system can measure R?
Measure.
Yes, please. Any volunteer? How these things can measure R?
How distinct in measure?
Resistance.
Or it is
Resistant.
VI.
Show me clearly.
Distance.
Where is 50 volt?
VI
Sorry,
kan
where is 50 volt? Tell me, where is 50 volt? Where is 50 volt?
50 volt.
Yeah. Remember in our setting, did you mention 50?
Oh, 50 volt.
Did you mention 50 volt in your procedures? Did you mention clearly in your procedure?
Oh. Tak ada salah.
No, right?
No, yeah.
Okay, that's why you can't imagine. That's why you can't imagine.
Oh. Okay.
Now tell me, where is 50 volt?
Here. We measure here. So the 50 volt is here.
It must be, there must be 2 points, right? When we talk about all this, there must be 2 points. I mean, it's very similar like male and female.
Oh,
Very
yeah.
similar. There must be 2 points. So tell me which points. And next,
So-
how current significantly can produce potential between the 2 points. Understand? Do you understand my question? You understand? Why you want to be a soldier, so you will mix up with all many groups from international, from international, right? So you must can catch up fast. Come on,
Macam
soldier, tell me.
What's the question just now? How?
My question is very simple.
Uh-uh.
Now, show me how this thing can clearly measure R. Then the next I ask you, where is the potential 50 volt? Where is it? It must be a potential between this point and this point. But, must be from here to here. It's potential. 50 volt. And then basically you inject a pulse. So pulse, it will propagate. So then you will have a potential between these 2 points. We will have voltage drop. Voltage drop V equals to IR.
IR.
So voltage drop between these 2 points. That's why you can measure R. So R equals to V. Come on, man. Can you show me some empty space? Okay, here. Now, you already achieved 33. Oh my. Now imagine you have this space. You are working under constraint, and you notice that this space can only have range within 100 to 110. Oh. So now you notice by having a multiple, if you add more, then you can have less than 10. So show me, prove to me that by adding additional copper pin or copper rod, then you can reduce less than 10. How? And how many copper pin you should have?
Sepuluh ohm.
I think 10.
Don't say think.
Oh,
Don't say think.
Proof,
Say
proof.
think. You must confident. Don't say think. I think. No. Never use think.
So I
Based on fact. Again, we play with fact.
Tekan
You see how you join Joanna action. That must be the action. You must calculate. Show clearly. So I give you time. Go back. When you go home. You go to any place. Kat Padang ke, relax, think carefully kan. Sama-sama. Macam mana nak solve problem ni. So this is a reality. What people did. Contractor do. The same thing. Yeah. Boleh? I bagi.
Okay.